What's up, guys? This is Rich from Ions. Today we're back with another unboxing, and we're unboxing the Ecobee sensors. We've done a review and an unboxing and installation video for the Ecobee 3, and now we're doing the Ecobee sensors. The best part of the Ecobee is it comes with these little guys, and these are basically just little sensors. They plug in wirelessly to the Ecobee thermostat, and they allow you to detect the temperature in whatever room the sensors are in. These come in a pack of 2. They're about $50 to $70 depending when and where you get them. And these are a lot more helpful to telling you how warm the room is, and so that lets the thermostat really help keep the house warm enough. So we're going to go in here and unbox this thing on the side here. This is the first Ecobee accessory. Not a lot of Ecobee accessories. Ecobee working as well as it does with HomeKit, as opposed to, say, Nest or Honeywell. These are a big sell for anybody who wants a really good sense of what's going on in their Apple run home. I'm gonna open this thing up. So this is it. Pretty straightforward. You got 2 little sensors here. Little case there. And this is one here. So there's a bit going on here. Obviously, you have to open these up and put them on, and do a detailed video for them. Is there any literature? You get some little plugs if you want to hold them on the walls. Screw them right in. Underneath here, you get oh, I see. They come with stands as well. If you want to have it stand, you can also do that. There's a little bit of literature at the very bottom here. There's a how-to English en français. So, assuming most people here are going to listen in English, there's a bit of troubleshooting and stuff in here. We're going to go through this in an install video. But that's basically it. I mean, there's not much to these. All these are is an add-on to the Ecobee, Ecobee 3, Ecobee 4, Ecobee 3 Lite. These just indicate the temperature wherever you are in a room. You can affix them to, the wall, or you can have them just stand like on a bookcase or something. And they'll tell you the temperature. They'll tell your thermostat what temperature it is where, and then you can kind of go from there and adjust, turn it off. There isn't much in the way of control, but there are some third-party accessories like for Apple HomeKit and that work with IFTTT, for example. And they're really good at helping third parties like... There's a company called Vent, and they just basically make Wi-Fi controlled heat vent registers. These sensors will tell you if the room's too cold, too hot. It'll open or close the floor vent, the register. So that's it. Not much to it. These are the Ecobee sensors for the Ecobee 3 and Ecobee 4.